Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good at home and must be enjoying the new subject. Today, we will start our third chapter in history, that is, the first farmers and herders. So, let's start.
Chapter 3 The Farmers and Herders. We will start this chapter with Mesolithic age. Children, in previous chapter we learned about the Paleolithic age, and now the second age was Mesolithic age. Paleolithic age was characterized by major changes in the climate of environment of the world. Due to this, some areas became warmer and led to the development of grasslands at many places, which brought an increase in the number of many grass-eating animals. People of that time had followed these animals and learned about their food habits. This helped them to get into occupation of rearing and herding. All these things favored human survival. It was under such conditions that the Mesolithic age or Middle Stone Age began. Now, how do we come to know about the life of Mesolithic men? We come to know about their life from three types of sources, that is, tools, cave and rock paintings, and burials. So, the first point is tools. Children, the main occupation of the people of Mesolithic age was hunting and gathering food, but their tools improved gradually. Apart from rough and chipped stone tools, they made small, sharp and pointed stone tools, which were called as microliths. Children, why they were called so? Because micro means small and lithos, as I told you earlier, also means stone. So, it means small stone tools. Some of them were fixed on wood or bone and were used as spears, saws, knives and arrows. So, the use of animals' bones as tools marked the biggest change in the life of men from Paleolithic age to Mesolithic age. The new tools and weapons improved the technique of hunting and gathering naturally found food. For example, now men could collect honey, hunt swift-moving prey with bows and arrows, and use hooks to fish. Hence, fish became an important item of food. As you can see in the picture, this kind of tools were used by those people. Now, the next is domestication of plants and animals. Domestication began in the Mesolithic age when men learned to grow crops and tame animals. Mesolithic man discovered the food value of the seeds of certain grasses such as barley and wheat and experimented by dropping those seeds into the soil and found plants growing soon. They noticed that some animals came near their habitation in search of food, which was discarded by them. And then they noticed and learned to tame some animals. For their benefits. Children, you know, dog was the first animal to be tamed, means domesticated, and it was used during hunting and for keeping watch. Now, our next point is the first houses. Though most people were still nomads, or you can say they lived in rock shelters and caves, but as soon as they learned to grow food, they started living near the rivers because of the availability of water. They started making their primitive houses near river. where there was plenty of water for growing crops, as you can see in the picture. Now, the next point is paintings. In Mesolithic age, many cave and rock paintings were found in India at many places, and the main attraction was the colors which they used during painting. And you know the colors? They used red and white colors mainly, which they made from rocks and naturally available minerals. The paintings too depict various activities of Mesolithic people and tell us about Mesolithic method of hunting, fishing, religious worship, etc. As you can see in the picture, this kind of paintings were found in the caves and the walls of the caves. Now, the next topic is the burials. Now, what is burial? It is an act of placing a dead person in a grave. It's a ritual of respect and closure. Many remains of human burials have been found at some Mesolithic sites. That time, people used to bury the dead along with offerings, such as food and some ornaments. As you can see, these burials are still having ornaments. So children, this is all for today. I hope you all are enjoying this new subject and making notes too. We will continue this chapter in next video. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.